How to get a voided check from Santander? So locate a Santander branch near you and visit during their operating hours. Speak with a bank representative and request a voided check. They will likely ask for your account details to generate the voided check for you. You may need to provide it identification to verify your identity and ensure that you are the account holder. Once your request is processed, the bank representative will provide you with a voided check. Double check that the voided check contains the correct account and routing number before leaving the branch. If visiting a branch is inconvenient, you can also contact Santander customer service by phone and inquire about their procedure. For obtaining a voided check, they may be able to assist you remotely for provide alternative solution. Thanks for watching.